Lesson: Data collection and analysis for supplier performance evaluation. Data collection and analysis for supplier performance evaluation is a critical component of modern supply chain management, particularly in an era where AI and data-driven decision-making are increasingly prevalent. The effectiveness of a supply chain heavily depends on the performance of its suppliers, making it essential to have robust mechanisms for evaluating and improving supplier performance. This lesson explores various practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that supply chain professionals can directly implement to enhance their proficiency in managing supplier performance. Supplier performance evaluation revolves around collecting relevant data, analyzing it effectively, and deriving actionable insights. Data collection begins with identifying key performance indicators that align with organizational goals. Common KPIs include delivery reliability, quality consistency, cost efficiency, and flexibility. For instance, a study highlighted that organizations leveraging KPIs experienced a 20% improvement in supplier performance. These KPIs serve as the foundation for data collection, guiding what data should be gathered and how it should be analyzed. Practical tools such as supplier scorecards are instrumental in evaluating supplier performance. These scorecards incorporate KPIs and provide a visual representation of supplier performance over time. For example, a company might use a scorecard to track a supplier's on-time delivery rate, defect rate, and cost compliance. By consistently updating and reviewing these scorecards, organizations can quickly identify trends, discrepancies, and areas for improvement. An industry case study showed that companies implementing supplier scorecards reduced supply chain disruptions by 15%. In addition to scorecards, utilizing AI-driven analytics tools can significantly enhance the data analysis process. Machine learning algorithms can process vast amounts of data to identify patterns and predict future performance. For example, predictive analytics can forecast potential supply chain risks, allowing companies to mitigate issues before they arise. A practical application of this is seen in a retail company that used AI to predict supplier delays, allowing them to adjust inventory levels proactively, resulting in a 30% decrease in stockouts. Implementing a framework such as the Supplier Performance Management Framework further aids in systematically evaluating suppliers. The SPM framework involves several steps: setting clear performance expectations, monitoring performance through data collection, analyzing performance data, and engaging with suppliers for continuous improvement. This iterative process ensures that supplier performance aligns with organizational objectives. For instance, a manufacturing firm using the SPM framework improved its supplier collaboration, leading to a 25% increase in product quality. Real-world challenges in supplier performance evaluation often stem from data quality and integration issues. Inaccurate or incomplete data can lead to misguided decisions. To address this, organizations should implement data governance practices, ensuring data accuracy, consistency, and completeness. A logistics company that established a data governance framework improved its data accuracy by 40%, leading to better decision-making and enhanced supplier relationships. Furthermore, integrating data from various sources, such as enterprise resource planning systems, customer feedback, and supplier audits, provides a comprehensive view of supplier performance. This integration allows for a holistic analysis, enabling companies to understand the root causes of performance issues. For example, a consumer goods company combined data from its ERP system and customer complaints to identify a supplier consistently failing to meet quality standards, prompting corrective actions that improved customer satisfaction by 20%. Effective communication and collaboration with suppliers are crucial for successful performance evaluation and improvement. Engaging suppliers through regular feedback sessions and collaborative workshops fosters a culture of continuous improvement. A successful example is seen in an automotive company that conducted quarterly performance reviews with its suppliers, leading to joint problem-solving initiatives and a 15% reduction in production costs. The use of blockchain technology can also enhance transparency and trust in supplier performance evaluation. Blockchain provides a decentralized, immutable record of transactions and performance data, reducing disputes and improving data integrity. A supply chain consortium implemented blockchain to track supplier performance metrics, resulting in a 50% reduction in disputes and increased supplier accountability. To conclude, data collection and analysis for supplier performance evaluation involves a strategic combination of tools, frameworks, and best practices. By employing supplier scorecards, AI-driven analytics, the SPM framework, and ensuring data quality and integration, organizations can effectively evaluate and enhance supplier performance. Engaging with suppliers through collaborative efforts and leveraging technologies like blockchain further strengthens these efforts, leading to improved supply chain resilience and efficiency. As supply chains continue to evolve, mastering these practices will be essential for professionals aiming to excel as AI-driven supply chain analysts.